Welcome back to Bonsai-En. I'm Josh and today we're going to be discussing Tanuki Bonsai, or as it's sometimes referred to as phoenix graft. Tanuki bonsai can sometimes stir a little controversy due to its somewhat deceiving nature, but do we really need to see it as a bad thing? Before we talk too much about that, let's have a look at where the name Tanuki comes from. The Tanuki is actually a raccoon dog. Yes, a raccoon dog. Although it's not directly related to the raccoon, it looks very much the same in appearance and is even classified under a different species. The raccoon dogs are generally thought of as mischievous and deceptive, hence the reference to bonsai tanuki. You can also see tanuki statues outside Japanese homes and at the front doors of Japanese stores, as the Japanese believe these tanuki bring good luck. The statue, though, is more of an animated version of the raccoon dog. The statue stands upright, is wearing a straw hat with a big belly and large testicles. The straw hat is believed to shelter from the elements. It has big eyes for good decision making, a large tail to represent strength, a bottle of sake for virtue, although this may clash with the large eyes and good decision making, and well, the big balls, I'm not sure what they're for. Bragging rights maybe? But enough testicle talk. Let's get back to bonsai. Before we chat some more about the tanuki, I just want to let you guys know, now under the video you will see a Join Now button. By clicking that button, you can choose to become a member of Bonsai-En Premium, which will give you ad-free viewing moving forward, and we will prioritise answering the questions in the comments below of our members, who will receive a special bonsai badge next to their name. If we can get enough support with this, I hope to bring in other artists to do live demonstrations for members only, release member-only content, and release more videos every month. I'll also offer discounts on Bonsai-En services and products such as merchandise and masterclass courses. So to help support us, sign up today. It's only $4.99 a month, which is less than 1 cup of coffee per month. Now, let's talk more about Tanuki. As you can see, the reason phoenix graft was given the name Tanuki is because you're essentially deceiving people into thinking that an attached piece of deadwood is actually a part of the tree, making it seem older and larger than it actually is. This can also be seen as slightly mischievous. In my opinion though, I like to look at Tanuki bonsai as another style of bonsai, kind of like penjing, except rather than creating a landscape using artistic vision, you're trying to create an older looking tree by attaching other elements that are not a natural part of that tree. If done right, Tanuki can look fantastic and be quite impressive to look at. If done wrong though, it can do quite the opposite. I also wouldn't go making Tanuki and showing it at a bonsai exhibition without clearly noting that it is a Tanuki, otherwise you might get a little unwanted attention. Let us know in the comments below, have you made a Tanuki? Do you like the idea of Tanuki, or is it something that you're against and why? Thank you for watching Bonsai-En, and don't forget to like, subscribe and become a member today. And don't forget, you can also submit to be a part of the upcoming critique videos, which you can also find the link for below. Until next time, enjoy your bonsai journey.